How to use. Adjust the lumbar traction device to a level comfortable to you. We recommend that you start with level 1. To make your lumbar traction stretch more tedious, you can adjust the frame to level 2 or 3. Once you have adjusted the frame to a comfortable angle, keep the lumbar traction device on a flat, non-slip surface like a yoga mat. Now that you have installed the device, lie down on the device with your back touching the curved position of the lumbar traction device. Doing this for 5 minutes per session can help improve strength and flexibility of the back. You can use the device any time in the day, but it is recommended to do this stretching before meals. You can take 2 to 3 sessions of 5 minutes each per day. If you are experiencing any discomfort while doing this exercise, please stop this stretching exercise and consult your doctor.